Matthew Wood, the man in charge of sound effects at Lucasfilm, said in Star Wars Episode 3, every time General Grievous coughs, it's George Lucas. He says, for a lot of those lines, you really have to use the diagram big time and yell this guttural performance word recalls. I would run out of breath and cough, and George himself had a really bad cough that day. I remember telling Chris Scarbosoio to keep the tape rolling because George would come up and direct me, and he would start coughing. We captured a lot of George's really bad coughs from the day and ended up rolling some of them into Grievous's performance.